Alright YouTube, so today I'm gonna be unboxing this wireless mouse and gonna show you how it is. So this is a wireless mouse from brand Enter. Well, it's a Chinese brand, and this is a box 2.4 gigahertz, and the price is 380 rupees. And this model Optimus optical mouse, full mouse. That's it. And 1600 dpi optical sensor, and this is a 2.4 gigahertz wireless optical tracking, 1600 dpi, high accuracy red light. Well, we're going to see that. Plug and play. System requirements: Windows XP, Vista 7, Mac OS, Linux, and all the stuff. This is the serial number, and here you can see made in China. So that's it. It's a very cheap one and a good one. I didn't go for Logitech or anything like that, because this is the mouse I bought for my smart TV to control the smart features. A mouse would be easier, so that's why I bought this. I didn't spend much money for this. So let's open this. Well, this is a bill. I bought it from a local computer store, and you can see this is the total price, 380 rupees. So that's it. Alright, so this is the mouse. It's pretty lightweight, and this is the optical sensor, and this is the battery compartment, and it requires two triple battery, I guess. And here is the receiver. This is the receiver. Well, that's it. And this is a wheel. Left click, right click. It's nice. So let's install the batteries. Alright, so that's it. Install the battery. Still, it's very light in weight. So now let's connect this to the PC and let's check it. Alright, now as you can see, I have connected the receiver here, and this is the mouse. Now the light is on, and let's check. Okay, you can see it's nicely moving. So it is working perfectly. So that's it. That's a very nice and cheap wireless mouse, and this light is gonna stay on when it's connected. When you turn off your PC or the smart TV, whichever is connected to the mouse, then the light will turn off. Now let me show you. When I remove this receiver, and now the light is off. So that's a nice thing. You don't need any switch or anything like that. Switch may be, what to say, you can forget to turn it off sometimes. So this is a nice thing. So that's it. This was the unboxing and testing video of this what to say, cheapest wireless mouse. And thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.